Got a fire extinguisher and a KAP Industries fire extinguisher mount, and we're going to put it in our 986 Boxster. Same install on a 911 996 too. Might even be the same for the 987 Boxster or the 997 911. I don't know. I don't have one, but I know the first two fits no problem. So let's put it together. Okay, kind of dark. You see what we can do in here. So first step, slide the seat all the way back, push the floor mat up a little way a bit, and now there is a little tab on the top of this plastic trim. Lift up, and that pulls off. I'll show you a bit clearer on the outboard one here. See that? Get in there, just lift it up. So that should, there we go, this comes right off. Exposes the E socket. Now, if you don't have a set of these, go get them before you go any further, because you're going to need it to undo that bolt. Ooh, shiny. The specific size you need is an E12. So basically what it is, it's not a regular socket. It looks like the reverse of a Torx. So welcome to Euro car life. Yeah, get a set. You'll be using them a bit on other stuff. You can see that. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Focus. There we go. We want to get in there and undo it. So pretty simple. We just undo those. Get on there. I'm going to need a longer extension on this one. That's easy. Okay, we'll do the one closest to the outside. Try to do it one-handed. And seat bolts are tight, so I'm going to need two hands for this. Okay, got it started. Now we're not taking the seat out, we're just taking these bolts out. There we go, bolt out. So we'll take out the other and we'll start assembling our fire extinguisher mount. Okay, got both bolts out. I got the mount here, and I'm just going to, not going to even thread these. I'm just going to put them in the holes and just get the positioning of where this is going to sit, because obviously we have the adjustment lever here, and we don't want to put the fire extinguisher where it's going to be in contact with that. That would be quite annoying. So there we go, we got that just kind of in position, and our extinguisher. And just to make it easy so people don't catch this coming in and out of the car, we'll put this on this side, because this side doesn't get adjusted very often, and we'll have it about there. So just kind of take a note of where, so that bolt will be in this side, in that slot there, about a centimeter or so down from the top of the slot, and the other one will fit wherever it's going to fit. So we'll just take it out, mount that up, and then put it in. It's going to be, this is a super quick process. So the KAP Industries, you know, these guys don't pay me at all, but I had one of these in the Audi too, and an MX-5, and in my Evo. They're nice and sturdy, and they fit well. They come with the decent hardware. They come with some little bolts and nylock nuts, nice and easy. So from our other crude measurements before, we just go through here. So this is just a fire extinguisher from our local auto parts shop. I know you can get some pretty fancy ones from Sparco and all these guys doing them, but these are cheap and they do the same thing. Okay, put that on there. That's nice and tight. Nylock nuts, but you definitely don't want this coming loose if you had a crash to have a missile bombing around the car. That's it. That is the extinguisher mount on the car mount. So we'll put it in the car. Now, of course, we won't be able to put those plastic pieces removed back on because there'll be an extinguisher in the way. Okay, that goes like that. And the bolts through the holes. Just get it finger tight, and we'll make sure that don't have any clearance issues when we close the door or anything. Okay, that's in. Put the extinguisher in. And yeah, no clearance issues with the door. Door's way above. And good, should be good movement on the seat. Yep. You can still bring the seat forward, but you have it pretty far back anyway. So we'll finish tightening these up, and that is the installation of the KAP Industries fire extinguisher mount for a Porsche Boxster 986 or the 911 996.